Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to answer what is a microsleep and why do they matter. Well, a microsleep is a momentary lapse in concentration. It will usually last for 3 to 10 seconds. The brain enters into a sleep state. The eyelid may be either partially open or closed. If the eyelids are open, the person may even look awake and paying attention, though they may have a glazed look in their eyes. During a microsleep, you will lose perception to the outside world and be blind to your situation and environment. Visual perception and motor control is lost. Now, why is this important? Well, many accidents, especially on the road while driving a vehicle, are caused by a microsleep. Sleep deprivation is a major cause of a microsleep. So if you sleep less than 7 to 8 hours per night on a regular basis, you are more prone to a microsleep. As well as being a cause of motor accidents, accidents too may occur in the workplace and home. If your job involves needing to be alert at all times, then a loss of concentration can be catastrophic. For instance, those working in the nuclear and aviation industries, which both need a high degree of alertness and concentration. If you think you might be susceptible to a microsleep, then please do something about your sleep deprivation and try to get a regular 7 to 8 hours sleep per night to reduce the chances of a microsleep. Not only will you feel more alert and refreshed, but perform much better in your duties at work and home, in addition to being a safer driver behind the wheel. I hope you found this video useful. Please comment, share, like and subscribe. If you have any comments to make, then please make a comment in the comments box below. I do read all your comments. Now, sleep deprivation is a trigger for a microsleep. If you wish to learn more about the ill effects of sleep deprivation and how to get a good night's sleep, then do watch our other videos on this channel. Please hit that subscribe button and thank you for watching.